What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Tomei, and today we are going to be doing a flyby video with the exhaust on. I currently have the Tomei Type D exhaust with the RV6 Catless downpipe and front pipe. So I'm gonna strap you guys on the back of the rear bumper, put the GoPro on, do a little bit of, point of view action with the GoPro facing down onto the exhaust. And yeah, hopefully I don't get pulled over. Your boy took the silencers off, so we got like a couple more rides with it left, just in case. So let's get to it.
Yo, it's hot as out here. Yeah.
Clink. So if you guys are wondering why the rubber band is right here, is because this little piece right here will rattle and shake during exhaust clips videos. So that rubber band just helps it from not moving and give it a more quieter audio. So that's it for today's video. I'm probably gonna get a separate video of exterior flybys and stuff like that, only because it's kind of tough to do it with a car this loud. Like, anyone can hear you from like 3 blocks away, and it's tough to try to sneak that in there. So I'll probably try to find some videos of exterior outside clips from my phone and just try to throw them in here so you guys have an idea. But yeah, I think I'm gonna dedicate a separate video for exterior sound clips. So yeah, just be on the lookout for the exterior flyby videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy for more future content so you don't miss anything. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bro, this car is so loud. Like, anytime you go through an underpass, a tunnel, forget it. You're gonna need earplugs for that. Beautiful, though. It's beautiful.
Para acá, Sorina, my baby, I don't wanna know. 우리의 미래 모래처럼